Hello, I'm Rachel Jones from the Finance News Network. Joining me today from soon-to-be-listed ClearVue Technologies is Executive Chairman Victor Rosenberg. Welcome, Victor, to the Finance News Network.
Thank you, thank you.
First off, could you start by giving us an introduction to your company?
It's a new generation, high-tech, clear solar window. It's in the BIPV space, that's the Building Integrated Photovoltaic Space. And in 2011, we actually formulated our plan and our action to develop the most advanced window. It's regarded as a smart building material, and it's a renewable energy resource.
So now to the technology, how does it work?
The technology works, it's fairly complex. It allows the visible light to pass through up to 70%. And it rejects the infrared and the UV from penetrating the room. The infrared and the UV are then interacted with micro and nanoparticles inside the glass, and the UV is converted into the infrared range, which is then by various mechanisms of deflection, reflection, luminescence, it's actually then moved towards the edge of the glass, where it's converted into energy or electricity by solar strips.
And so what are the advantages of this technology?
Our technology represents a paradigm shift in the way glass will be used in the construction and greenhouse or agricultural industries. It will no longer just be a component, but it'll actually also be a renewable energy resource.
And of what stage of development is it now, and what are the milestones?
We're at the pre-development stage now. We're actually getting ready for production. Production should kick off within the next 2 months. Some of our major milestones have been in January 2018, we've just signed a collaboration research agreement with Nanyang Technological University in Singapore, as well as the University in Jerusalem, and they will be working on research leading towards the printing of solar cells.
So what is the company's business model, and how do you plan to monetize its technology?
Well, we do have a partner in China called Rocky Glass. We will be manufacturing the product in China initially, and then we'll be looking to license the product throughout the world, and the income will be derived from both licensing and royalties from the sale of the products. The certification process, which is really critical and very important, will be done both in Europe and in Asia, and once certification has been completed and we have received our ISO number, it will actually make the commercialization of the product pretty simple and straightforward.
Now to your IPO, how much are you looking to raise, and where will the funds go?
We're looking to raise minimum 5 million and up to 6 million. The funds actually will be used to commercialize the product. It will be used towards the certification. It will be used to ongoing research and development. And of course to getting some key personnel involved into the business.
And where can investors find out more information?
They can find out more information on our website. They can actually download the prospectus from our lead manager, Ventnor Securities, or from any broker in Australia.
And now for a more general question, Victor, where do you see the market for your technology developing?
There are several, and they're varied markets. The one is in the construction industry. And in the construction industry, the product can be presented in various forms. For example, for the facade of a building, a curtain wall, you can have it as a window, you can have it as a skylight, you can have it as a door, you can have it as an awning. We also have for agriculture, for greenhouses, and further applications would be in infrastructure. And we're looking at the potential of including IoTs into the product itself, which can then give you further data collection, monitoring, mobile phone charging, Wi-Fi, accessibility, etc.
Last question now. What's the focus for the next 12 months and for longer term?
The next 12 months, the focus will be on commercialization, of course, of the product, ongoing R&D. We need to get the greenhouse established and built. The federal government have given us 1.6 million towards the greenhouse testing facility, which we'll be building. The value of that project is worth about $5 million. It will be built on the grounds of Murdoch University, because they will also be testing the soil and the growth and the yields. And of course, most important as well is to start setting up licensing agreements throughout the world.
Victor Rosenberg, thank you very much for the update and good luck with your IPO.
Thank you very much. Thank you.